So let's assume this is your meta 5. When you come to your meta 5, you come to your meta 5 like this. On your meta 5, you have history here. Here's your history, here's your trades, here's your chart, and here's your quote. And here's your quote. This is your quote rather. So this quote is usually where you add pairs and where you see pairs and where you can delete pairs. So for example, I want to delete this GBP AUD. I want to delete the GBP AUD. So what I'll do is I'll click on this pen here. Click on this pen. I click on this pen, I can mark and then delete. So after I do that, you can go back. So for example, I want to add another pair. Let's say I want to add AUD JPY. Let's assume I want to add AUD JPY. Tap on this and then click on this cycle. When I tap on the cycle, it's going to tick good. Once it tick good, it means the pair has been added. So if you want to check for any pair, if you want to check any pair you want to trade, for example, good, and just click on XAUSD, you see chart, trade, details, statistics, and delete. So you go to chart. So when you come to chart, it's going to come up with this. On your chart, you have time frame here above. This is your time frame. If you want to trade on any time frame, or you want to see the market on any time frame, from 1 minute down to the 1 month time frame. So let's say I want to come to the 15-minute time frame. I click on this, click on 15 minutes. So this is the 15-minute time frame. And if, for example, I want to take a sell on, let's say I want to take a buy on this. You see this pen, this icon here, like a rectangle, this icon here. So when you click on it, when you click on that icon, it pops up with these options of buy and sell. It pops up with these options of buy and sell. So when it pop up with these options of buy and sell, so if you want to buy, in between is where you add your lot size. So is where you add your lot size. For example, I want to adjust my lot size to the lowest lot size, or let's say yeah 0.01. So I want to use 0.01 to take a buy. This is 0.01. If you want to use 0.1, you click on 0.1. If you want to use one standard lot size, delete it and put a standard lot size. So for educational purpose, let's use 0.01, 0.01. So which is the least lot size. Then you click on your buy. When you click on buy, it's already has bought. So for beginners, once you click on buy, it's going to show you a notification that accept. Click on that accept, then go back and buy again. So once you take any order, you're advised to click on this place back to close these options of buy and sell. Reasons are because sometimes you intend to mistakenly press a buy or a sell button. So after taking a buy, then the next thing you want to do is you want to set your stop loss and you want to set your take profit. So let's assume you did your analysis on the chart. Let's assume you did your analysis on the chart. You want to set stop loss and take profit. So for example, this is the chart. Let's assume this is the chart. You set your stop loss and take profit. Let's assume you set your stop loss and take profit like this. Let's just assume this is it. This is your stop loss and this is your take profit. So when you look at the left hand side of your chart, you're going to see the green and the red. So this green here, this green stands for your take profit, while the red below here stands for your stop loss, which is this. So you can now impute those figures to be your stop loss and to be your take profit. So let's assume we already have the figure offhand. So what you just need to do is tap on the where you bought from, tap on the where you see buy. Once you tap on it like this, you tap on it buy. So once you tap on the buy, it comes up with these options. It comes up with this options here. SL means stop loss, TP means take profit. So when you tap on SL, SL comes like this. SL comes like this. So these place are figures. These are figures where you want your SL to be, means you want the market to stop and to stop you out. So for example, I want the market to stop me at, let's say around this figure here, around one and 4146.308. So that means that is where I set my stop loss. Then my take profit, again, you can come back, you can see this TP, which is your take profit. Let's say this is my take profit, and you can adjust it from here. You can adjust this market from here. That's from this side. You can move it. You can move it from this side like this, and you can move it like this again. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see a better view of the market. So this is on the 1 hour time frame. Now I want to tap back on here, click on SL, click on TP. I want to move my TP further above, so I can just move this screen like this a little bit. Then let's assume I move my TP above and my SL is here. So you can come to this arrow here. You can also modify it once you click on this and move it. When you click on this modify position and move it like this, it's going to modify. That's set your stop loss and take profit. But you can also click on this arrow here, this little arrow. When you click on this little arrow, then it's going to come up with these options where you can see stop loss and take profit. So if you are being given signal, and you want to set your stop loss and take profit, if they give you the TP, you can just come to this place, impute or take profit. SL, if you can come to this place also, impute or SL, then modify position, then modify. When you click on modify, it tell you that your stop loss and take profit has been set. So automatically your stop loss is set and your take profit is set. You can see your stop loss here and your take profit here. So SL means stop loss and TP means take profit. So SL means stop loss and TP means take profit. So when you go to trade, when you come to trade, you're going to be seeing your trade reading. It's going to be reading in profit or in loss. So let's assume I want to open another position. I want to open another position. I go back to the trade. I click on this place. I click on buy. I want to set stop loss and take profit. I tap on the where I click note. Anytime you take trade, always close this, always close it. So I go back to that the one I bought. I click on it. Immediately I click on it, it comes up with this. Once it comes up with this, you can just click on this arrow directly. Once you click on this arrow, you can see where they put add stop loss. You can click on add stop loss. You want to come up with this stuff, then you click on this place to put your stop loss, and you click on this place to put your take profit. So, but if we are not doing that now, so you can just click on SL and move it manually. Let's assume this is our SL manually. Then move on to click on TP and move it manually also. Then you can just click on this place, slide, modify position. So your stop loss and take profit has been set. This place, your is reading your loss and it's reading your profit as well. So, and when you click on your SL, you can basically see how much you're risking. Like this, I'm risking $13 to $45. That's like about 1:2 plus. So that is it. Then if you want to close your trade, you come back to trade. When you click come back to trade, you can see the trade that is running in profit and running in loss. So let's assume I want to close any of this trade. When I tap on it, you can see close position. When I tap on it, I see close position, and I can quickly close the trade. Or I can quickly close the trade. Or when you I can quickly close the trade. Always close the trade. When I tap on it, click on tap, see close position, modify position. When you come to this modify position, to adjust stop loss and take profit. What's this now? It's to adjust stop loss and take profit. It's to adjust stop loss and take profit. Then when you tap on this place back, when you tap on this place, you can see bunk operation. This bunk operation means you can close all your trade at once. Close all position, close losing position. That's if you have losing position and winning position, you can try to close the losing position. And if there's a winning position, also it's going to indicate close winning position, close all buy position. If there's sell position, also it's going to click. It's going to show you close all sell position. Let's do that quick example. Let's do that quick example. Click on sell. When I click on sell now, when you go back to this place, bunk operation, you can now see close sell position as well, showing close sell position. To close or close sell position like that. So close all position. So it's going to show you, it's going to bring out those options. So if you want to close the trade, you just click on close like this, close position. And click on close position here. They are going to show that you're closing position with loss of 77 cents. That's what it's showing. Once it shows you like that, it means you're closing this trade with this loss, with a loss of $1 loss. So you can now close it all now. Or you can slide here like this, click on close position and then close position. So you close position, come to history, you're going to see that you're at loss of one minus $1 like that. So that's how to close trade and take trades on this. Yeah, so let's assume you want to take you want to set order. You know, on the trade you have orders like a buy order where you can put pending orders like either buy stop, set stop, buy limit, and sell limit. So, for example, you want to set all those orders. You can just come to display. For example, I want to set orders on GPPJPY, that's the GJ. So, I want to set the orders. Let me come to a 1 hour time frame. Let me come to 1 hour time frame. That's why I'm currently on the 1 hour time frame. Let's assume I want to set a sell order. I want to set a sell order around this position. I want to set a sell order around this position. For example, I want to set a sell order around this position here. This position here. So I want to set a sell order around this position here like this. So what I will do is I click on this other icon. You know, this icon is for instant buy and sell. This icon is for instant buy and sell. Why this other icon is for pending orders? This other icon is for pending order. So when you move it like this, once you click on it, it comes up with this sell limit. So sell limit means you want the market to come to this place. The market is moving to the upside. You want the market to move to the upside, PQ, and start coming down. That's sell limit. Then we have what they call set stop. Set stop means you want to put it below it, and we want the market to come and pick you while going down. As the market is coming down, the market should just pick you and continue going down. So that is the difference between sell limit and set stop. So the same thing is applicable to buy limit and buy stop. Buy limit means you want the market to come down and pick you here and start going up. Then buy stop means you want the market to pick you while going to the upside. So that is the difference between the buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, and set stop. So this is on this one, you are going to be putting a sell limit here. I'm setting a sell limit around this zone. Let's assume I set a sell limit here. Then the next thing I want to do is I want to put my stop loss and take profit. So I click on SL. SL pops on. So once I click on SL, I can adjust it here. I can adjust my SL here. As I adjust your SL, you can currently see how much you are losing. And when you do analysis on TradingView, any figure you have on your SL that you want to use as SL, you can just put it there. Then put your take profit. When you click on TP, take profit comes up, and when you click on it like this, so this is like risking $4 to $14. So this is not an instant order. So the trade has not yet been placed. So once I do it, I just click on. You can click on this icon and move it to the right, slide it to the right, and it takes your order instantly like this. Slide to the right, done. So your trade your order has been set. So this is not an instant order. When you come to trade, you're going to see it like this. It's called place. It's not an instant order. That's why I'm showing you place. This is instant order. Instant order is running. This is placed until the market comes to this zone. Until the market comes to this zone, pick you up, then it now turn it then turn an order where you can see it running like this, where you can see it running like this. So for now, it's not an instant order. So what I was saying by when I said buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, and sell limit, when you click on this place, for example, I want to, this is a sell limit here. You can see that showing your sell limit. Let me just move this stuff. This is a sell limit here. So because I put it above, I want the market to come to this place, tap it and start coming to the downside. So let's assume I want the market to, as the market is coming down, I want to the market to just pick me here and continue. I move it to this place. You see that it changed to buy because ideally you buy from the lower range to the upper side. So the market intends to come down, pick you and start going to the upside. That's why it's buy limit. So, but if you want to change it, but if you move it like this, if you move it to the upside, change to sell. If you move it above the current price, change to sell. If you move it below, change to buy. But if you want to put it to be a buy stop, sorry, sell stop, then you come to this arrow here. You click on this arrow here. Then it comes to what they call sell stop. You come to where they call sell stop. You search for sell stop. This is sell limit. This is sell limit. This is sell stop. So when you click on sell stop, you can now see that it's showing you sell. Before it was not showing you sell. This is the difference: sell stop and sell limit. It's the same thing applicable to buy stop and buy limit as well. So you put your initial SL, you put your take profit like this. Then you click on this arrow, you can still place sell stop, modify position. So automatically your trade has been set. So this is different. Sell stop, sell limit. The same thing applicable to the both buy stop and buy limit. So that is how to set orders, pending orders on your trade. If you can still come and adjust it, for example, if you want to adjust the stop loss, when you tap on it, it pops up like this. Then you can adjust your take profit, adjust your stop loss. Or if you have your figures, you can click on this icon here. You can see your TP. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you can easily edit it. You can easily edit it to the figure you want. Same thing applicable to the stop loss as well. So that is how to set your buy stop and buy limit. And you can as well delete it if you want. If you tap on it, it's going to show you delete order. If you don't want it, you can just slide on it and delete. So I've deleted one. So that is how it works.